Today, I will show you how to write a simple macro to remove all the empty rows from your data using VBA. So to do this, you need to go to the Developer tab and then go to VBA and then here insert a module. And in VBA, you can write this code and let's run this code. And then after that, I will explain you this code that how does it work. So close VBA and then come back here. Now you have this in your macro and here you can run this and it will delete the empty rows from your data by just one click. And you can create even a simple button by going into insert and then assign this macro to it. So you just have to click one button to clean all your data from empty rows. Now let's go back into this and see how does this code works. So sub delete empty rows starts the macro name delete empty rows and then I is an integer. So we're declaring I as long, a type of number that support large values, and it will be used as a row counter in the loop. So rows and rows dot count returns the last low number in the Excel usually and cells into rows dot count 1 and Excel up dot row find the last non-empty row in column A by moving up from the bottom. So if your last data in A10 is start from row number 10 and to one step -1 goes upward 1 rows at a time. This is the key. If you delete rows from top to bottom, you can skip some rows accidentally. And if application.worksheet function into count into rows I is equal to 0, this will check the non-empty rows, non-empty cells in the row I. If the count is 0, it means entire cell is empty and it will then delete that row which one is empty. After that, it will move to the next row above and ends the macro when it's done. It checks each row from bottom to top and deletes if it's completely empty. Super useful for cleaning messy data. Let me know in the comment if you like this video and follow for more videos like this.